Hi. Why is the hair transplant in Turkey so cheap? This is a big question. And the thing is, in Turkey, you have lower costs than, for example, in other Western countries. So the hair transplant, especially in Turkey, is cheaper than in Germany, for example. So the prices, they start from like 2,000 euros, and it's a big difference to other Western countries. So this is the first thing. The second thing is also the medical instruments in Turkey are so much cheaper, of course, than in Germany, Italy, or wherever. Also, the original, like the main country for hair transplant is in Turkey. So the next question is, what do I have to do after the hair transplant? So the first thing is, you should avoid coffee for 24 hours after the surgery. And if you're a big smoker, please don't smoke too much. You should reduce it maybe to like 2 or 3 cigarettes a day, or you just stop it completely. What is not so easy, I know, but it's possible. And also some people, they just stop smoking at all after the hair transplant. Second thing is, you shouldn't drink alcohol, for example. Also what you shouldn't do before the surgery. And it's also really important that you will use our neck pillow. We will give it to you in the clinic, and you have to sleep with the upper body and using the neck pillow for like 3 days, okay? Okay, it's 3 nights, of course. And it should be like about 30 degrees, so you don't have to sit, but you have to be like a bit up with your body. So another thing is also 2 weeks after the hair transplant, you shouldn't like do any sexual intercourses, okay? It's really important because you should not sweat, and also sport is not allowed for the first 2 weeks after the hair transplant. So you can start slowly after 2 weeks. After 4 weeks, you can actually start again with sports. Until the 6th week, you should avoid direct sun. You shouldn't go in the sauna, and you shouldn't go in the swimming pool. That's really important. And also you have to wear our hat we give you in the clinic. You should wear it because you should avoid the infections in the air. It is also important to avoid the sea and pools for 6 weeks after the hair transplant. And the thing is, like, you can go, but you shouldn't like put your head under the water. You have to protect your new grafts, of course. And the last question, how does a hair transplant go? So it's a short summary now. Day 1, pick up from the airport. The driver will bring you in the clinic for the blood test, and then you can go in the hotel, do your check-in, everything. The next day, the driver will pick you up in the morning for the consultation with Dr. Balvi. And after the consultation, you will have the operation, and you will be in operation about like 6 to 8 hours, depending on the amount of the grafts. And this third day, so the last day, you will have the follow-up examination in the morning. The driver will pick you up again. So you are actually always with our driver. And then you can fly back home after 1 p.m. And that's it. Thank you for your attention.